Hello kids! Today we will design a beautiful and colorful princess dress. So stay until the end of the video to have this beautiful princess dress. This dress looks amazing! It's painting time! First we use light pink for some details of our beautiful princess dress. Now we use light blue. We use red for the ribbon bow. Dark pink for the dress ruffle below. Now we use the rainbow sequence, first with red, orange, and yellow. Dark blue and purple. Dress looks so magic! If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, as well as watch our other videos. Thanks for watching, kids!